All right, tell me when, but you're gonna have to move your fingers, Mac. It always looks like you're okay. Go. Okay. We're gonna make another lid for this teapot. One that's got like where it sits and locks down. So, take my sponge. We're gonna go like this. Okay, we're gonna drop this down. Now I'm gonna measure just how far I need it to come out. Okay, so here's where the action happens. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. Now watch this. I'm gonna take this and pull this in like this. So we're gonna go like this. All right. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Everybody ready for this? Here's your double flange. It's going to happen like magic. And I'm just going to take my hand and slowly push this down. Bring that guy up. Did you see how I did that? It's magic, right? It's magic. So now we want to measure two things. We're going to measure the outside distance. All right, so it's a little small, so I can go a little, oh, you missed it, Sharon. Oh, you've seen it, okay. You've seen this show before. Okay, we're gonna drop that down. We're gonna make that a little bit longer. Okay, we're gonna tuck that in. We're gonna measure that. That looks pretty good. I can go a little bit more, I think. Okay. And I'm still going to want to get this little bit of an arch, okay? Let's see where we're at. That looks pretty good. But, man, a little bit. Okay. Yep, that's good. Now, here's the other thing I want to do. If I'm looking at this, this is kind of wide too. So if I want this little part to drop down, I'm going to need to widen this guy up, right? I want it kind of nice and even. So I'm going to take this and just pull it out. Does that make sense how I'm doing this? Yeah. Okay, so we'll pull that out. All right, now let's measure this. Ooh, that's perfect, okay? So that's going to allow that lid not to tip over. One of the little tricks I like to do is I'll take my wooden rib. I got to make sure that this is even, right? Because if I'm measuring at the top, but if it's out like that, it might get screwed up. I like to have that when that drops down, I like this to be perfect. So I just take my wooden rib and I just go like that. All right. And then even this little area, you want to see a little trick? I just bring this outside up a little bit. So it's a little bit of a curve. All right. And let's see. Let's just see, make sure we're in the right ballpark. Okay, so we know that outside's good. That inside is, yeah, it's good. It's pretty good. I don't take my own advice. I would normally put that over here, measure it. But since I put that over there, this should be, so that should be, that's how you make that kind of a lid. All right, thanks.